Hey, good morning everybody out there on YouTube. This is Lee McAllister at McAllister Outdoors and Excavation. Just out and about today. We're gonna work around the house again a little bit. It's starting to freeze up a little bit now. The ground's gotten a lot harder than it was, so it's 20 degrees this morning. And I should be able to cut some trees on my property along the edge here. I got some white birch, some apple trees. I'd like to get rid of some of the hanging branches on them. They're just kind of in the way when I'm mowing. But yeah, we're gonna do a little work around the property again. It's New Year's Eve. Hope you're doing well out there. So yeah, we're just gonna walk over here. I'll show you what I got planned. Then we'll take a walk over and I will get the 60G started up. We'll do a cold start. It's 20 degrees this morning. But okay, so over here you can see I got some of these branches here. I gotta trim up some of these. Over here I got some of these branches I'd like to trim up, get rid of them. And these white birches here, I want to do away with these. They're kind of tangled into my apple trees and they'll make for some pretty good, I don't know, firewood or something I can burn in my fire pit outside here. Yeah, let's take a walk over and we'll get the excavator started. We'll do a cold start. You can see this is my house, garage. We'll take a walk around this way. Yeah, it's still pretty crazy to me that here we are, you know, tomorrow's gonna be January and we don't have really any snow to speak of. I mean, I live right in the mountains of Vermont, right in Jay. We should have, you know, at least a foot or two of snow right now, and we just don't. But you can see this is the back of the property here, back of the house. So this little table over here was something rigged up for my kid to play with. He's got a little steering wheel, some hubcaps. He likes messing around with it, and I also, that's my shooting table. So there will be some future videos coming up. I got a bank down there I shoot into and there's nothing down there. But yeah, I'm gonna do some videos. I got a couple new Marlin guns, the Ruger Marlins. I got a trapper and I ended up with an SBL. So we'll do some shooting videos with them guns. But let's go over here and do a cold start on the excavator, get that running, and then I gotta sharpen up my small steel chainsaw so we can use that to do some cutting. Yeah, a little chilly out this morning. Let's see here. Let's check the oil on it first. I'm sure it's, well, whew, little froze. So this is one thing I do like with the John Deere 60. Everything's super easy to get to. There's your oil filter, your oil check. There's for your motor oil to put it in. And you got all your stuff, just pretty easy. Your fuel filter's right here. Let's pull this dipstick. Yeah, we're good, I figured. Put that in there. Let's see if I can do this. There we go. All right, so over here is where you would do your, ooh, that is froze. But anyway, that's where your fuel and hydraulic oil fill is in there. Okay, you can see that. All right, let's get it started. I say it's 20 degrees right now. Let's see here.
Or an Android.
Oh, sure. Shut that off or I'll get in trouble. All right, the glow plugs ran. Let's see, we'll give her a start. There we go. All right, so I'm gonna let this run for a little bit, get warmed up. I will set you back up when I'm over at my truck here. I'm gonna sharpen up my saw, get it filled up with some gas, some bar oil, and then we will head over to where I just went. Oh, actually, right here you can see where I was cleaning up the last time with the 60 and my tractor. Them trees and garbage that was here, it's all cleaned up, gone. We got her smoothed back up. Stumps are gone. So this looks a lot better. I'm much happier with how this looks now. A little fire pit made down to work. Actually, a guy at work made it because I was busy. It's our manganese steel in one of our 54 LJ crushers. I got my attachments over here. But yeah, I'll show you what I got going over here, and I'll set you back up while I'm sharpening the saw. I got my little steel MS261. I love this saw. I gotta tighten the chain up on it, sharpen it. Got my mixed gas, bar oil. And does anybody else use these ammo cans to keep your stuff in? I love them. I got all my chainsaw stuff in there, wedges and stuff. They work great for that. But all right, I'm gonna stop the camera right now and I'll set you back up here in a little bit. Bye. Hey everybody, it's me again. I got you set up here with the truck. I am loving the new GoPro. It definitely is going to make filming stuff that I'm doing so much easier. But we're going to sharpen up this saw, tighten up the chain, get it filled up. I won't bore you too much, and I am no expert, I'll tell you, on sharpening a chainsaw chain. I do what I can. It usually works out all right. Lock your bar, I usually just lean over it like this, and then I'll get what I can, and then I'll unlock it and turn it. And I usually just count. So I already did one off camera. I did about 13 on it. It is dull, so we'll go another, this one. And I usually just do this. I'll go again. Yeah, it is dull. There's that. Hey everybody, I'm back. So we're gonna sharpen up this. Actually, the chain's all set, so as good as I'm gonna get it. I'm no expert. It's a lot better than it was. It's pretty bad. I'll end up having to buy a new chain sometime. I hit a bunch of rocks and stuff over this past summer. But let's loosen this up a little bit. Do this. I'm just going to tighten the chain just a little bit. A little bit more. There we go, much better. All right, now we can put some gas in this. Make sure give it a little shake, get that oil mixed in there good. I do love the steel quick caps here, but you got to be careful and make sure you got them clicked in there just right. If you don't, you're gonna have a mess. I've had gas all over the front of me before. My fault. I just didn't have it locked in there right. A little bit of bar oil in here. That's pretty good. Okay, so there's that. Now let's go grab the excavator. We got to bring that over here. So you can see this would be your hydraulic fill here. You got your filter here, your main, I think, a return filter. this on. There, it's locked. Okay, let's get the excavator over there and we'll get going with this project. It always takes a little bit of time to get stuff together. There. Let's get spun around here. Looks like we're pretty much full on fuel. I didn't think it was that bad. Hopefully you can all see what's going on here. I am going to set you guys up on a tripod here in a minute when I start cutting them white birches. I just got to get the machine over here. Actually just grab this one with the excavator and get it out of there right now. There's that. There. I'll set that one right here for a minute. Let's see, back up a little bit. Yeah, so the biggest thing with getting rid of some of these is that they're just plain hanging down in my way here. I think them little ones I can reach with the saw, cut some of them down. We'll get this one out of here. Yeah, I can cut that one down. All right, I think I got what I couldn't quite reach, so the rest of it I can just get with a saw and lug it away. Let's see here. So I definitely got a few brush piles around here. Probably should have burned some of them, but I get nervous with fire, and yeah, I don't need to have the neighbors calling on me. Let's see, I got some stumps here. I'm gonna push them a little bit farther over in there. There we go. Yeah, so I hope you all had a great Christmas. Hope you're all doing well. Appreciate, you know, anybody watching the videos, hitting the like button. Definitely appreciate it. Makes me want to keep going with them. I definitely had some views, so we'll keep the videos going for 2024, and hopefully it'll be a better year. I got some equipment now to make some decent videos. I got a computer, some editing software. I got the GoPro. Just trying to figure everything out here, that's all. I mean, I know my videos aren't perfect, but hopefully they'll get better the more I do it. I just appreciate, you know, anybody that's watching my videos, I just appreciate it. Thank you. All right, now let's see. There is the white birch. So I'm gonna get you guys set up here, and then I'm gonna do a little bit of cutting, and I'll be back. All right, bye. So there's some power lines right there, and I got my cable line for the internet. So I'd rather not mess anything up. I'm just gonna lean it over this way. And yeah, I'll have to move you guys out of the way. You can see I had to move over there. I'm just pushing on this way a little bit. I'll get a notch in it. Get that one out of the way. Then I can try and get them other ones that are leaning over that way. Them are the ones I don't really like. There's just not a ton of room in here, even with a smaller machine. Like any bigger would be a little bit tight, but let's set you up somewhere over here. Hopefully we can get you right here. Hopefully you can see what we have going on there. All right, you can see got them down. just gonna put them over here for now. I'm gonna get these down. But yeah, my battery's getting low. Of course, the cold weather eats them right up, but I just wanted to do a little video before New Year's. Hopefully I can get it edited this afternoon and get it out for you guys. But you know, I'd just like to say thanks again for anybody watching any of the videos. You know, liking, subscribing. I'm just hoping I can make them better for everybody now that I have some, you know, a decent camera, like I said, the computer and stuff, so I can edit some videos. Hopefully you'll get some good stuff coming. But yeah, thanks again. Happy New Year's to you all out there. Have a good and safe night. Thank you. Bye. Hey everybody, I'm back. So I got the trees are all down. I got them out of there. That worked out well. I'm just gonna get these cut up, get all that stuff cut up. I'm gonna just try to clean this up a little bit. I don't think I'm gonna bother getting the ripper today to pull out that stump. I don't want to deal with that today. I'm more of a mess than what I want to deal with right now. I got some other stuff I have to do here in a little bit. Yeah, I'll get these cut up, get them stacked over there. I'll take you along. Shouldn't take me long to get these stacked, and I'll trim off them and kind of got this project done. I got these limbs off here I wanted gone. It'll be a little easier mowing through here this coming summer. All right, let's get the saw going. There. I think that's probably it for the saw. Get this stuff cleaned up, put over there. If I want some, I'll cut it up sometime. I don't really need it. Yeah, this looks so much better with them white birch cut out of here. So much better. Soft in here, I guess. It's just so wet anywhere around here. Yeah, so I don't know, I'm just gonna put these on top. If I want them sometime, I'll get them to cut up. I don't know, I got more firewood laying around that I really don't need it. I'm just gonna put it right there for now. Really just wanted it out of my way. I guess I didn't cut that one. I guess I'll have to swing around here, grab the saw quick, cut that one up. I think we got everything cut up here now. I can get all this brush cleaned up.